So Hagen watchmakers, I am working on this Westclox Pocket Ben, manufactured in 1941. I've taken it apart and put it back together slowly here. So where I am with this is I didn't record as I took it apart, so what I have here is the pallet fork, the escapement, which also is the second hand, the second wheel is what I'm going to call this, the third wheel, and the center wheel. So these are going to be very short videos, just kind of talking briefly about this watch. I got it on eBay. It does not have a crown or crown stem. Here is a picture of the dial. In this particular movement, it seems that the mainspring gets set in this position. Actually, I'm wrong. It gets set in this position and captures the crown wheel below, which is here. This is dirty. I did not clean this, so the mainspring goes in like that. So the challenge really is going to be placing the balance and getting all of these pins to align. And I misspoke. The actual second hand is this, what I would call the second wheel. The pinion on this wheel, or the post on this wheel, is loose. So I need to set it at the right height or elevation in line with the third and first wheel, and then dab it with some glue. See if I can get that to set. So that's it for this video.